Okay, to translate everything on Google Chrome into Spanish, first thing that you need to do is to open up Chrome and open up a new tab with the Google search page, and you are going to search for Google Translate extension. The first thing that will pop up says Google Translate, so you'll click on it and it'll open up the Chrome Web Store. Once Google Translate has shown up, you're going to click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. It'll check and come up with a pop-up, and it says it can read and change all of your data on the websites you visit. You want to click Add Extension, and then you'll see it in this top right corner over here. To pin it so that it's up there all the time, you click this little puzzle piece icon and it'll bring up all of your extensions. Once you see Google Translate, you click the pin icon and it'll be up there all the time. So then when you're in Canvas, you can click on any page and you can select the Google Translate extension and you can click right here where it says Translate this page. When you click Translate this page, the box goes away and it brings this drop-down menu, and from there you can choose your language and it'll translate everything on that page into Spanish. So when you get into my Canvas course, you'll click right here for this week's assignments, and it'll bring up the modules. So again, you click your Google Translate, you translate this page, and you can read everything in Spanish. Every day when you start, you'll click on the day's agenda. You can click on your extension to translate the page, and you can read about what we're doing for that day. I hope this helps. Let me know if there's anything else that I can help you with.